Okay, just simple. If you want to download 2019 Microsoft Office, there are four types. First step, just copy this. Okay, paste here. Okay, after we have to download. Okay, then go to the second step. I will keep the link in comment section, so no problem, and don't be worried about this. Okay, second is to copy. After paste here, is loading. Okay, if you want to download 32-bit or 64-bit, just select, and before download you have to justify your computer, how many bit operator on your computer. So my computer operating system 64-bit, then I select 64, then go to next. Office suite product will be, I'm select Office Professional Plus 2019, that's one. Okay, this is a professional, so you have to select, and no need to apply something because that's not important things. Okay, but then you have to select just language. Okay, which language you have to use. I am using English, United States. Okay, no, and just check next if you want to adding something. Okay, if you don't want to change anything, then just export and keep current setting. Then you have to scroll down and okay, then I accept all terms. Then you have to select export. Okay, then go to the folder. Okay, fine. Then keep create a new folder, name Office 2019, and copy this, copy or cut, anything you can do. Then you have to paste here. Okay, then you have to right click down and run as administrator. Yes, then click this button, continue. Okay, so you have to download folder. You have to go this PC and download folder, and folder name Office 2019. This folder you have to enter. Okay, and file exec successfully. That's it, great. If you have to finish this type of part, then you have to go downloads folder and just cut it and go to C drive and just paste here. Okay, okay, this is the second step. Then you have to go third step. What is the third step? This command. Okay, no problem. Just go to command prompt, cmd. Okay, open. Okay, just sorry. Okay, then just copy this cd. Okay, control c, go to command prompt. Okay, just paste here, right button, it will be paste, press enter. Then you have to see next step, go to third step and just copy this. Wait, okay, copy and go to command prompt. Okay, right button, enter. Then if you see this, then your program run perfectly. Okay, and we are getting ready. Just you have to take 4 minutes, yeah, 5 minutes or 10 minutes for downloading. Just keep wait, then you will be see the main file. Okay, after some time you have to see this, then it will take more than 10 minutes, and after download it will be start. So thanks to everyone for watching this.